So, getting out for a ride today finally. Instead of riding the trainer, it's like 65 degrees out right now. Super nice out.
Тебя остался только номер телефона пятой строчкой. Я слышу эти гудки, но тебя нет здесь. Тебя нет рядом со мной. Тебя нет здесь.
What's up? Out here in beautiful Pawtucket. Testing out the microphone today, really. See if you guys can hear anything. It's super windy today. But just started my ride and doing like 60 miles-ish out east. Just gonna try to keep it chill and first time doing this this course in Japan recently, and went like 3 or 4 miles off course before I realized I wasn't even following the course. My Garmin was just like doing its own thing. So back on course, feeling good. Going to there's some nice views on this ride. Also listening, see how this audio sounds. nice headwind right now. I mean, tailwind. Headwinds are never nice. But yeah, sick. I feel like my ND filter might be a little bit off, but that's fine. So, yeah, feeling good so far. New roads.
Со мной тебя нет здесь. Тебя нет рядом со мной. Тебя нет здесь.
It's so windy today. Oh my god. It's insane. But it is nice out. So take it.
Тебя нет рядом со мной. Тебя нет здесь. Тебя нет рядом со мной. Тебя нет здесь.
It's a navigation to nowhere. And if you think that's going to be fun, you've got another thing.
Some say it's the only one, the last I found. I won't live to see another day, wasting around when they say that I'm too deep, 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 that I'm too
So, just finished my ride. Not exactly sure what my final mileage was. Let's see here. 65 miles. Felt really good. Stuck to mostly zone 2. A little bit of zone 3, and obviously like with hills and stuff, I'm getting out of zone a little bit, but mostly staying in zone. It was crazy windy today, so there was like felt like, I don't even know, it was probably like a 15 or 20 mile stretch that was just straight into brutal headwinds, but felt pretty good otherwise. This person's going the wrong way, getting in, not the entrance, but you know, I guess people just do what they're gonna do. So where was I? Even with the headwinds and everything, and like staying in zone 2, averaged 19.9 miles per hour, so pretty happy with that. I haven't done too many rides of this distance this what the hell is this person doing? It's season, so it feels pretty good to, you know, be able to do that distance and then, yeah, be able to hold a solid pace. This person is now turning around, coming back here. Hang on a sec. Figured I'd also do a bike check since I just spent a really good amount of time cleaning my bike the other day after riding in like snow slush, just like slop it was like 60 degrees a couple weeks ago, and decided to go out, and the snow melt was ridiculous, so that got me. But yeah, I spent a little bunch of time cleaning, and yeah, got the bike looking good, so I'll do a little rundown here. Yeah, this is my Cervélo S5. I actually bought the frame set used on eBay and stripped it completely down to raw carbon with the intention of painting it, but the carbon looked so cool, so I left it and made up a bunch of decals for it, and yeah, this is the state of it right now. So I believe this is a 100 or 110. The only thing I didn't strip is the little indicator here. So it is a 110, and I got the narrowest bars possible. I think they were 38 or 40, I can't remember, but they are very comfortable. These bars are great. They have a nice flat top, which is really nice for resting your forearms on or whatever. These wheels are hand built by me. They are 55 millimeters deep, and I normally fill these rectangles with some graphics, but I put this on and then thought it was fun to just leave it like that. I don't know if it's gonna stay like this, but yeah, pretty happy with this wheel set. I might actually go with a shallower rim soon, but for now, these are really great. Just like standard SRAM brake rotors. I'm actually running 140s in front and rear because I only weigh 60 kilograms, and I honestly the braking power is fine. Yeah, SRAM red cranks, no power meter. Eventually I might do something. I might do the Asioma pedals, or maybe a Quark or something, but for now this is great. I actually have a ZTTO cassette and chain. I believe this is a 10 to 30 cassette, and up front I have 50-37. I like running standard gearing. Compact is, I don't know, I find enough fast descents that I really like standard gearing. I actually just put the saddle back on the other day. Very excited to put it back on. It was a little bit damaged. It fell during a photo shoot and cracked a little bit, so I had to do some work to it, but it is back. It's actually surprisingly comfortable. It's an SLR. It's the Selle Italia SLR C59. It's the world's lightest production saddle. Yeah, and it's the perfect shape. It's very comfortable. And what else? We're running the Ocean water bottles, which have this really sick cap that I can't stop talking about. It's great. It's it has no push-pull actuation, so it's just leak-proof, and then when you want it, it opens. You don't have to mess with it, and the less things you have to mess with while you're riding, the better. And these are Arundel cages. These are side loaders, and yeah, I've been running these for a long time. I actually had I had this one on my S2, so I've actually had this cage for over 10 years, and it is still fantastic. Super light, super great. I got some silicone bar tape. I can't remember. I think Fabric makes this bar tape, and Sorry about that, gimbal got a little bit weird, but yeah, so I think fabric makes this bar tape, and it's very comfortable. It's silicone. It hasn't really worn out yet. I think it wore out on the other bars I had, but I've been having good luck with it this time. It's very grippy, and it kind of like gives some like vibration dampening, which is very nice. So yeah, that is the build. If I forgot anything, sorry. Also, tires. I'm running Vittoria Corsa 25C tires, and I'm running tubes. I'm running a TPU tube, and these actually measure out to 30 millimeter with a caliper, so they are not super narrow. Although, yeah, I'm just not on the bandwagon of massively wide road tires, personally. So, yeah, I'm sure if I think of anything that I forgot, I will do this again. Probably do a bike check on some of my other bikes. Last thing, running a Garmin Edge 830. I've always run Garmin computers, and they're the best, I think. They're just like tried and true. Garmin is the OG GPS company, pretty much. So, yeah, or at least like one of the OG GPS companies. So, yeah, that was my bike check for the Cervélo S5. Also, just got these sunglasses recently. They're the Oakley Encoder Strike, and I really like them. I haven't gotten new Oakleys in a number of years, and yeah, just decided to do it. I really liked these, how these looked, and yeah, they're great. So highly recommended. And yeah, we'll try to do more of these videos in the future. And if you guys enjoy, you know, nerding out about bikes and rides and training and all that, feel free to subscribe, like the video, whatever. Also, I'll leave a link in the bio. I run this apparel brand called Ocean, and I make all sorts of cycling apparel, from cycling jerseys, bibs, water bottles, socks, streetwear, general apparel. So yeah, if that sounds cool, check it out. I do releases a couple times a year. This is the most recent jersey release, as well as the base layer and the bibs, which I'm super happy with. And they're kind of just like classic black, and they'll go with anything. They are made with all Italian fabric, and the chamois as well is super comfortable for long rides. Yeah, so check it out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.